What if you could reprogram your mind to believe in your success so deeply that it starts working toward it automatically? In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill's third principle, autosuggestion, is the tool that transforms desire and faith into action. It's not just about repeating affirmations, it's about emotionally charging your thoughts until your subconscious accepts them as truth. In this video, we'll explore how to use autosuggestion to build unstoppable confidence, attract opportunity, and condition your mind for wealth and achievement. What if your thoughts could shape your destiny, not just metaphorically, but literally? Napoleon Hill believed they could, and his third principle, autosuggestion, is the method that makes it happen. This isn't woo-woo, it's mental conditioning backed by decades of success stories. What is autosuggestion? Autosuggestion is the practice of feeding your subconscious mind with repeated, emotionally charged affirmations. Hill said, "All impulses of thought have a tendency to clothe themselves in their physical equivalent." In other words, what you consistently tell yourself becomes your reality, but it only works when you believe it, feel it, and repeat it with conviction. Why it works? Your subconscious mind is like fertile soil. It will grow whatever seeds you plant. If you feed it doubt, fear, and limitation, that's what you'll harvest. But if you feed it belief, abundance, and clarity, it starts reshaping your habits, decisions, and even your perception of opportunity. Autosuggestion is how you take control of that process. The formula Hill recommends. Hill outlines a specific method. Write down your definite chief aim, the amount of money or success you desire, the timeline, and what you'll give in return. Then, repeat it aloud twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed with emotion and visualization. This isn't just a ritual, it's a rewiring process. Real-life applications. Think of athletes who visualize winning before stepping onto the field, entrepreneurs who affirm their goals daily, artists who see their success before it happens. Autosuggestion is the common thread. It's the mental rehearsal that primes your brain to act, persist, and attract. Your daily practice. Start simple. Choose one goal. Write it down in the present tense. I am earning $10,000 a month doing work I love. Say it aloud with emotion. Visualize it. Feel it. Repeat it daily. Over time, you'll notice your mindset shifting, your confidence growing, and your actions aligning. Final challenge. For the next 30 days, commit to autosuggestion. Track your thoughts. Speak your goals. Feel the emotion, and watch how your subconscious begins to respond. Because once your mind believes it, your reality starts catching up. If this video sparked something in you, hit like, subscribe, and comment with your personal affirmation. Let's build a community of creators who shape their futures with intention. Next up, we'll explore specialized knowledge, the fourth principle that turns belief into skill.